Welcome to round one of the Cream Bronzer Showdown Olympics edition. This is the prestige stick category. There's 5 sticks. We're gonna throw them down on our arm and we're gonna talk you through how you can find the best contour / bronzer hybrid for you. We have our list, Rare Beauty, Nudestix, we have our Mario, we have our Merit. Each of these has a different finish, has a different laydown, has a different texture. It's important to know what you're shopping for. If you want the highest radiance or highest shine glow, you're definitely gonna wanna look at the LYS Beauty. Look at how wet that is. It has the Diisostearyl malate in it, which is exactly what's inside our Laneige sleeping mask. Part of what gives it that cushion, but definitely what gives it that shine. Not too far behind in texture, the Good Energy by Rare Beauty. They both have that high shine top coat. Let's blend them out so you can see a little bit of what to expect when you put them on skin. Rare definitely feels more oily, but will sheer out for you more like a bit of a greasy balm. The waxes inside the LYS, however, do not sheer out in the same way. It's not gonna disappear and melt into your skin. It's gonna melt into your product in a way that's gonna deliver amplified radiance. These two products for me are going to be too shiny since I'm already pretty oily. They're not gonna make it to a metal. We're moving into our mattes. Let's talk about the Softsculpt Stick, shade medium. Noticing its laydown, how does it move? How many layers do you need to get to see your pigment? Both of these, Nudestix and Mario, come with a built-in brush. That's important when you're thinking about what you wanna buy. This is gonna be your Nudestix Bondi Babe, which you'll also see has a matte finish. In terms of opacity, which means how much pigment we're seeing, both very, very similar. Lastly, not a matte finish, but a very sheer bronzer. If you are a beginner, this is going to be your best friend by Merit Beauty. You cannot mess this bronzer up. You can layer it to your heart's content. You'll see it takes quite a while to even get to the level of your Nudestix and your Mario. For me, who has oily skin, I love a buildable, blendable bronzer. Why I love this product is because of how easy it is to use. Let's watch the Merit blend out. It does leave a sheen on skin, but it is not as sheeny or oily as the Rare or the LYS. Actually, as I touch them, they feel almost identical. Nudestix is actually going to be the most matte of them all. Now, matte is fantastic if you are super oily. All my oily goddesses out there, your Nudestix is gonna have the most oil absorbing properties because you're feeling the most powder on the top. Mario is not far behind. Great for normal, great for oily, can be used for dry skin as well. It will spread, but it will not spread as nicely as you can see the Nudestix laid down. And as we already covered, our Merit is the most sheer and the most buildable. We've covered our bases on our dry skin queens. Our oily skin queens are definitely in the arena of our Nudestix or our Mario. One of them is going to win the gold. Which one? Makeup by Mario. This is my all-time go-to contour. If you're looking for something that's going to give you pigment, performance, laydown, opacity, blendability, really phenomenal formula. If you are super oily and you need the mattest stick out there, we're giving the silver to our Nudestix Bondi Babes. And finally, last but not least, we give our bronze to our Merit Beauty specifically because it is the only stick in this entire showdown that's going to deliver a level of sheerness. Any beginner can pick up this product without messing it up. It's an adventure, but you're going to love it because it's not scary with this stick in your hand. We have our gold, we have our silver, and we have our bronze. Let's go into the next tournament round. Welcome to round 2 of the Cream Bronzer Showdown, featuring Drugstore Cream Bronzers. We are going to feature the NYX Wonder Sticks, Wet n Wild MegaGlo Contour, and the Essence Baby Got Bronzer. Who's gonna go for gold? Let's get into it. For my most melanated queens and my most oily queens, I want to introduce you your highest pigment in the drugstore super matte contour stick. There's a little bit more drag and there isn't as much spreadability. However, it's got that hybrid of what I would call the Makeup by Mario and the Nudestix. As you continue to blend it out, you are feeling a little bit dry and not as soft as the Mario and the Nudestix. The beauty of the Wonder Stick is that you flip it over and all for $11.50, you get a highlighter as well. This is wonderful for humans with oily skin that are looking for maximum wear out of their contour product. Next, our Wet n Wild contour. You'll notice the sheen a little bit. Also, how is this going to spread? Very reminiscent of the spreadability and the movement of the Rare Beauty. Already, your brain should be taking you to, if I have dry skin and I'm on a budget, this is something I'm gonna want to explore. And last but not least, we have our Essence stick. Here we go. A little bit more drag, definitely a high pigment load, definitely somewhere in between demi matte and something that has a full-fledged kind of sheen. This is our most budget friendly at $5. You will see a little patchiness. Make sure you push enough of your stick out so that you're not hitting the edge of the rim, so that you're able to really lay it down in a uniform way. To me, it's most reminiscent of the LYS. It is scented with like a candy flavor. It's not gonna spread out as evenly. There is a nice color assortment, but if you're balling on a budget and you want to go for something that's going to give you a little bit of moisture, but not necessarily be impossible to use for oily skin, that's going to be your essence.
Who gets the bronze in the bronzer?
Who gets the bronze? For me personally, the NYX is going to take the bronze. It has a ton of drag compared to all the others. But if you want a true dense contour and you're super oily, that's going to be great for you because it's not going to move. Our category of silver, that is going to be our $5 Baby Got Bronze Essence. It does not spread as nicely as our gold medal winner, which is the Wet n Wild contour, which is going to be the most reminiscent of the Rare Beauty in the prestige category. And if you want to vote for what you want to see in future showdowns, don't forget to text or go to our bio. Welcome to the final round of our tournament. We have our hot pours in our pans and we have our hot pours in our jars. We have Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer, Patrick Ta's Duo Cream Contour Plus Powder, Power 28 Sculptino. We have Say's Sun Melt Cream Bronzer. Only 3 will take a medal. Who's going to take the gold? For those of you that don't know, this is the product that I walked into Sephora for to replenish that actually had me go viral. I've definitely gone through about 4 of these. All of these products have been aggressively loved. What I love about the hot pours in the pans, you have the ability to make your product more buildable and more sheer, more in line with what you would see of a bronzing versus a contour. So the Makeup by Mario and the Patrick Ta feel identical. Patrick Ta, though, as you will see as I'm laying these down, is way more matte. There are more powders in here. There's talc, there's aluminum starch. It's soaking up the oils around it in a way that will be better for folks with oily skin. Now let's get into Tower 28. Feeling less powder in my Tower 28, but the spread was incredible. Still, most matte is my Patrick Ta. Finally, let's get into my Sun Melt by Say. You need to think about finish. You need to think about the tone, the blendability, the spreadability. The first ingredient in the Say is the C15-19 alkyne. This is going to deliver a slip, which means it's going to deliver that movement with it feeling really lightweight. Mario, Patrick Ta, Tower 28, and Say. You're going to start to notice which of these 4 are the most matte, and which of these 4 have the most lifelike sheen to them. If you're dry, go for the most lifelike sheen. If you're oily, go for the products that are more matte. If you want to explore with all those lines in between, then play. Notice that each of these from an opacity perspective are virtually identical, which makes it really hard to medal all of these, but we have to. Who gets the medals? You're gonna be very mad at me, but Makeup by Mario and Patrick Ta are tied for gold. I would be remiss to say that in the summer, I don't absolutely love this Patrick Ta. I am more shiny and more oily because I perspire on my face. I need the matte powders in the Patrick Ta to absorb the oils for me. However, in the winter, I have to reach for my tried and true OG skin enhancer. No matter how oily I get, I need Mario to bring me back to life. We're jumping ahead to bronze. Why I absolutely love Tower 28 for bronze is because you can use this with your fingers. It is next to the Merit, the easiest Sculptino product to contour, bronze, touch up, which is why she gets bronze. The shades, though, for me personally, as I want something for more melanated skin in the summer, don't go deep enough, but that's what our silver medalists say is for. You are gonna get more of a mix between the sheen of Mario and the sheen of the Tower 28. First place for sheen, Mario. Second place, Say. Third place, Tower 28. Fourth place for sheen, Patrick Ta. Buy for your needs, buy for the finish, buy for the opacity. To be clear, I have a love affair with every single one of these. Today, I happen to be wearing the Tower and the Say. Makeup is very much like clothing. There are layers, there are seasons, there are moods, there are moments. But all of us have a budget, all of us have to be mindful, and all of us have to understand the nuance behind what these products are driven to do, especially what they're driven to do for you and your skin. If you're not sure which way to go, watch the video again, save it, take it with you in store, swatch them on your arm, and start to think about what you need for your face. Can't wait to see you in the comments. Tell me what you loved. Don't forget to text, get into my community, stay up to date on my latest content, and let's grow as a family and keep learning together.